So for students who are starting with Python, like this is really confusing. Like they keep on asking like, what is this sprite? What is this sprite? Like why we are creating this thing? What is class and all those things? So we made it like really easy. Like you don't need to create any sprite instance. So this can go, this can go. So all you need is like move steps by next costume like this. So they can like really learn the concept of Python without going into much complexity like classes, objects, and all those things. So this is just a vanilla loop and like simple function call. So like they can understand like this function means like moving step by pixels ahead. This will change the costume. So let me just run and show you. So you can see like it is moving and changing the costume. So this makes it really easy to start with Python programming in CodeSkool. So like they can relate like with Scratch. So like this move steps means this move step. This next costume means like this next costume.